everyone. Welcome you all in MMK Study Center. Let us start today Maths 1 of Standard 9. Okay. In previous lecture we have completed the first method of solving the sets. Today we'll continue the next part. We have completed first method of solving sets. Today we'll see the second method. Okay. Method name is rule method, or it is also called as set builder method. This method is we will solve by, or we will see by a few examples. So let us see your first example. Example 1. A is a set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Okay. So if you will observe carefully, these numbers are the squares. Okay, 1 is a square of 1, 2 is a square of 4 is a square of 2. Okay, 81 is a square of 9 and 100 is a square of 10. So we will write the answer. A is a set of x such that, this vertical line is called as such that x is equal to n square. Okay, and n belongs to natural number, where n is less than equal to, n is less than equal to 10. Okay, means n value you can take 1 to 10 and take the square of that. Is it clear? Now we'll see the second example. B is a set of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. So see the numbers. If you will observe carefully, you will come to know these numbers are nothing but the multiple of 6, or it is a table of 6. So it is given till 6 5 are 30, 6 7, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48. Means till 8 it is given. So how to write the answer? Let us see. We'll take y now here. So B is a set of y such that y is equal to 6n. As here table is given, so 6 table is given, so we have taken the 6, whereas n is the number from 1 to 8. So 6n, here this small n is belongs to capital N. Capital N stand for natural number, and n is less than equal to 8. Means n value will be less than 8. Okay, or it is equal to 8. Means you will consider number from 1 to 8. Okay, yes, clear it is. Now we'll go for the next question. Sub question 3. D is a set of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so these all are the days which are present in a week. Okay, so how to write in set builder form? That D is a set of y such that y is a day in a week. Y is a day in a week. Okay, getting children? Now we'll go. Question number 4. X is equal to AET. Means X is a set of alphabets AET. So here we have two answers for this. Answer 1. X is a set of y such that y is a letter of the word eat. Y is the letter of the word eat. Or we can write y is a set of a letter of the word tea. Okay. So these two answers are possible. In exam we have to write any one, children. Don't write both. Now next question. Question number 5. A is the set of alphabets D, I, V, S, O, N. So just think that which word will form by using this alphabet. Yes, children, you are correct. It is we will get the division word from this. So let us see how to write the answer. A is equal to X such that X is the letter of the word division. Okay, A is the letter of the word division. Okay, now next example. B Question number 6. B in the curly bracket minus 3 3 means B is a set of 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 are the square root of 9. Okay, so our answer will be B is a set of y such that y is a number such that y square is equal to 9. Okay, so we'll see the next example. Example number 7. C is the set of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So again they are the multiple of 5 children. So we will write in answer, C is a set of Z such that Z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 30. Okay. Next, sub question 8. D is a set of Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agran, Paush, Magh and Falgun. Yes children, whatever you are thinking, it is correct. These are the names of our Indian solar years. So we will write the answer. D is a set of all months in the Indian solar years. Yes, getting to children. Now we will continue with the example number 9. E is a set of ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Yes, yes, it is a name of sensory organ. So let us see how to write the answer. E is a set of human sensory organs. E is a set of human sensory organs. Now example number 10. F is a set of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So this 2, 3, 5, 7, these all are the prime numbers present between the 1 to 20. Yes, so let us see how to write the answer. F is a set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, F is a set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Now, question number 11. Question is Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, Europe, South America and North America. This is your set of G is given. So count them. How many are they? They are in 7 in number and they are nothing but our 7 continents. So our answer will be G is the set of names of continent of the world. G is the set of names of continent of the world. Now we will continue with another question which is present in 1.1 children. Here question is write 2 sets by listing method and by rule method. Means we have to give the example of 2 sets of listing method and 2 sets of rule method. Okay, so solution. Listing method, we'll give the example of listing method first. Listing method, A is a set of 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Second example, B is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I have given this example. You can give another also, whichever you feel easy one. Okay, now we'll see the rule method examples. So rule method, first example, A is a set of X such that X is equal to N square, N belongs to natural number and N is less than 6. Means N value will be 1 to 5. Okay. Second example, B is a set of Y such that Y is equal to 2N and N belongs to natural number and N is less than 6. So again here N value you can take 1 to 6 children. Thank you everyone. Keep on watching our videos of Maths 1 and Maths 2 and keep on practicing. Bye bye children.